Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on applied accessibilities. And we're going to learn about HTML access keys. So these access keys, they're a shortcut to activate or bring focus to an element. And usually you want to add it with links, buttons, and other form controls. And adding these access keys attribute can make navigation more efficient for keyboard users. And it's just a shortcut you use and add it to that. So B button. And to access it, here's the Mozilla syntax, the shortcuts for it, because it didn't say in this free code camp. So if you're using Google Chrome and a Mac, you can use Control Option key. But if you're using Windows, you can just use Alt key to access it. So for this example, we want to add an access key attribute to both links and set the first one to G and the second one for C to C. So here we want to add a G. So we just copy the syntax and replace it with the G inside. And next we want to change this and add a C. And then to access it, you just do Control Option C, and we can see it goes here, there, and then Control Option Control Option G, and we see it gets highlighted and focused there. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.